What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best budget mice in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. VicTsing MM057, the best ultra-cheap budget mouse that can be found in the market in 2021. This is it. VicTsing MM057 is a multi-purpose wireless mouse with 5 different levels of DPI: 800, 1200, 1600, 2000, and 2400. You can easily change the sensitivity of the cursor based on your preferences. There are also 2 side buttons for you to control the environment and achieve the highest possible productivity. The device's advanced technology helps move the mouse smoothly around the computer screen. The VicTsing MM057 boasts a surprisingly comfortable ergonomic design, utilizing a simplified arch that helps reduce stress caused by long-term use of the mouse. The side pits are specially designed to reduce slippage and maximize and make the feel of using this fella as comfortable as possible. Also, it is specially designed to save battery, so users will be able to enjoy up to 15 months of battery life without worrying about whether they will have to change it often. Note that this optical computer mouse goes to sleep in 8 minutes of inactivity. Whenever you want to wake it up, all you have to do is just press any button. It's important to note that it is powered by a single AA battery that is not included in the package, so you have to purchase it separately. What users additionally like, in addition to that ultra-low price of course, is the ease of use. You don't need drivers, and you can connect and use the wireless mouse directly. Plug and play, folks. The VicTsing MM057 budget mouse supports all 33 feet wireless connections, so users can avoid the interference created by the power cord. VicTsing MM057 budget mouse also boasts wide compatibility and works perfectly with Windows XP, 10, 8, 7, Vista, Linux, Mac devices, and more. Suitable for desktop, laptop, computer, MacBook, you name it, it works. For listed price, we are thoroughly impressed by how well this fellow works. Thumbs up. For all you folks in pursuit of the best possible wireless budget mouse, we say check out the Logitech M525. What instantly stands out is a pretty good design and shape, boasting strength and robustness. The click and scroll features are very good, and scroll works horizontally, or left-right if you will, which is very interesting and quite useful in many applications. Thanks to these controls, users will be able to move very quickly between the desired documents or browse different sites. The Logitech M525 also comes with a micro-precision wheel with a number of grooves, which will further ease up the movement and provide users with a great navigation experience. The dimensions are slightly smaller than we'd like, but the quality of workmanship is still at a very high level. Inside the mouse is a USB receiver with batteries. Battery life is as long as 3 years. Wow! Well, the onboard intelligent sleep mode will allow you to delay those battery charges even further. The Logitech M525 mouse comes in elegant black and gray. It comes with the size of 8.27 by 2.28 by 7.09 inches, as well as a weight of 0.16 ounces. The M525 also sports an optical laser sensor that will provide fairly accurate tracking even on those shiny and smooth surfaces. This way it consumes less energy and at the same time provides many benefits, including longer battery life. This wireless mouse offers super easy integration via wireless connections while supporting as many as 5 devices via a single receiver. As for the shortcomings, some users mention the absence of some more advanced features apart from that horizontal click. But you will agree that given the budget price tag, this should not be a major problem. If your number one priority, apart from the budget price tag, is ergonomics and a more comfortable design, the next product on our list for today is the perfect choice for you. Introducing the Anker wireless vertical ergonomic mouse, which quite rightly took the title of the best ergonomic budget mouse that can be found in the market in 2021. The Anker model is a great, upright, and affordable ergonomic mouse. It offers 800, 1200, or 1600 DPI optical tracking options that you can adjust until you find the sensitivity you like. Also, this budget mouse includes built-in previous and next buttons in order to make navigation as easy as possible, although they can, like all 5 mouse buttons, be reconfigured into different commands. The Anker wireless vertical ergonomic mouse runs on 2 AAA batteries, with the power saving mode automatically activated after 8 minutes of inactivity. It should be noted that although it provides great comfort to your hands, the Anker wireless vertical ergonomic mouse is specially designed for right-handers only, so keep that in mind when buying. Thanks to the most important item of this budget mouse, the ergonomic design, users will be able to take neutral, healthy, and completely natural positions of the arms and joints without any strain and with smoother movement. Apart from the mouse itself, the package includes a USB receiver located at the bottom of the mouse, a warranty, and a user manual with quite concise and detailed guidelines. The Anker wireless vertical ergonomic budget mouse comes in elegant black. It has a size of 3.98 by 3.23 by 3.15 inches, as well as a weight of 3.36 ounces. In terms of compatibility, this ergonomic mouse boasts compatibility with Windows 7, 8, and 10, XP, Vista 2000, Mac OS X, and Linux. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The following product on our review list will be of particular interest to all you epic gamers out there, whether professional or hobbyists. Check out the SteelSeries Rival 3. Thanks to excellent gaming performance and an affordable price tag, this fella has been awarded the title of the best budget gaming mouse available on the market in 2021. With unique RGB lighting, a new sensor focused on maximum performance and incredible durability, the Rival 3 outperforms the competition. This is a rounded gaming mouse with advanced technology specially designed for gamers. Considering what it offers, we were honestly a bit shocked by the low price. Anyway, this gaming mouse is made of a super long-lasting polymer that provides outstanding durability, all with a weight of only 2.72 ounces. Also included in the mix is the new TrueMove Core optical sensor that marks a significant breakthrough in performance when it comes to this price range. It's common for peripheral companies to use regular desktop sensors in mice of this price tag, but SteelSeries, in collaboration with PixArt, has designed a brand new sensor for Rival 3 only. The motion tracking secures that all mouse movements are absolutely faithfully transmitted to the screen. The battery life is 400 plus hours, so gamers will be able to enjoy continuous and efficient use. There's also dual connectivity via 2.4 GHz wireless and 5.0 MFP. Also, during the design process, special attention was clearly given to achieving the highest possible durability. Hence, the SteelSeries Rival 3 comes with durable material made of high-quality polymer and switches. In order to achieve the most accurate and sharp gaming experience, this budget mouse comes with as many as 60 million mechanical switches for clicks and boasts excellent prism lighting. The redesigned lighting provides players with 16.8 million vivid and precise colors with 3 zones, which will take the gaming experience to a higher level. SteelSeries Rival 3 gaming mouse comes in elegant black and measures 1.49 by 2.64 by 4.74 inches. For gamers, this is the best option in the budget range. But now, let us proceed to the top, shall we? If you're looking for a budget mouse that will provide you with an outstanding price-quality ratio, as well as great performance and high durability, our next product is the perfect option for you. Introducing the Logitech M510, to which we have unanimously decided to award the gold medal and the title of the overall best budget mouse available on the market in 2021. The Logitech M510 wireless mouse is a portable tool you need to simplify your projects and work, whether on a laptop or desktop, with zero need for cables. It is shaped so that it lies perfectly in the palm of your hand for many hours of use. You can program the keys to do exactly what you want with one click. The ideal position in relation to the thumb will be especially pleasing to right-handed people. The device also has additional controls such as forward, backward, zoom, and scroll, all placed under the fingers so users will be able to do more and do it faster. You can configure the controls to do exactly what you want, such as switching between apps, opening a browser window, or switching to full screen to watch your favorite videos. The device also includes a unifying nano receiver that you can simply plug in and then you don't have to worry about it anymore. This universal receiver allows you to connect up to 5 Logitech devices just via a single receiver. The Logitech M510 boasts high compatibility, making it compatible with Chrome, Windows, and Linux devices. As for battery life, it lasts as long as 2 years, so users don't have to worry about replacing the battery. Good stuff. Furthermore, the mix also includes an intelligent sleep mode, which will ensure the longest possible battery life. To keep users up to date with essential information and eliminate the surprise factor, this wireless mouse comes with indicator lights. The Logitech M510 budget mouse comes in cool graphite color, It has the size of 6.46 by 3.62 by 8.82 inches, while the total weight is 5.7 ounces. Many users agree that the Logitech M510 does not have any significant objective flaws and shortcomings that need to be pointed out, which is expected from a top-level budget item like this. You will truly get the best possible performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.